Hey, what's up? My name is Ephraim, and I'm excited to be sharing this good news with you. So, who am I? I'm a pianist, and I'm also a digital marketer and an ambassador for a software company known as ClickFunnels that helps producers, entrepreneurs, business people sell their beats, products, and services online. All right. So, recently in our community, there's a guy who's a producer who recently crossed the $1 million mark selling beats online. So I felt so inspired to share his story with you and also reveal to you how you can also model the same thing that he has done. So without saying much, let us cue up Gabe's video.
Got something in the mail today, and what's in this box is worth $1 million. I'm gonna open it up in a second, show you what's inside, but I just wanna give you a little backstory about this. So, for me as a music producer, as somebody in music, like we always wanna get plaques, right? And basically a plaque represents having a certain milestone, a certain level of success playing the music industry game. Now, what's in here is actually a different kind of plaque that's worth more to me than that type of plaque. Here's the thing, I actually played that music industry game for, over a decade, and I did pretty well at it. I got a couple credits. I've worked with some big artists, and Kendrick Lamar and Snoop, and I've got songs that were on the radio and on TV and film. I've heard my songs at Oracle Arena, all this cool stuff, right? It's pretty fun, but what wasn't fun is I was broke. Like with that level of success, I was making almost no money. I was struggling. I was living at my dad's house. I couldn't pay for my basic necessities, bills, nothing. Luckily, I decided I was fed up and I made a shift to building our own brand, building our own platform. So what this represents is actually us doing $1 million in revenue with our own brand, our own platform, not relying on a record label, publishing deal, distribution deal, anything like that. This is on our own thing. So I'm gonna open this guy up and show you a little bit more about it, okay? Got a cute little knife here from Kevin. It's adorable. Woo! There it is. Check it out. So here's what it says. It says membership into, can you see that? Yeah? So here's what it says. Membership into the 2 Comma Club for earning over $1 million with ClickFunnels. Look at all those zeros. 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 with ClickFunnels. Gabe Schillinger and the Legion Beats team 2019 2 Comma Club Award. Look at that. So this actually reminds me of a story. I was doing a session in our old recording studio, which is just a few doors down here before we built this brand new, incredible space. One of the producers who was in that session, he was talking to me about how he'd gotten a placement on one of Drake's albums a couple years back. I think it was Views from the Six. And I remember I was like, oh my God, that's so cool. Like, damn bro, you got a plaque. Like, man, like that must've really changed your life. And I was asking him all about it. Here's the crazy thing though, I was talking to him about it and like, it actually didn't change his life at all. He barely made any money off of it. And what was crazy is he was actually way more excited about what we had. He's like, how did you guys build this? How are you guys able to come here and do what you love every day? And he still had a day job. Like he was struggling, and it really made me realize like, man, that plaque is cool, but this plaque, this did change my life. What this represents, like for me, before I got into this stuff, before I knew about ClickFunnels and Russell Brunson and started building our own brand, like I was struggling. I was living at my dad's house because I couldn't afford to pay for bills. I couldn't afford to pay for like anything. It was really bad. And like, what this represents is like this brand new studio that we built where we've got, this studio in here, we've got another studio up there. I've got my own private office upstairs, which is just insane. Like I was able to take my girlfriend Louisa on vacation in Thailand for 2 weeks last year based off of like what we had accomplished. Here, I get to work every day with just like a cool group of people that I chose, like my cool, talented friends, like we're all making a living doing this. This changed my life, not a plaque from the RIAA, the recording industry, whatever it's called. Like this changed my life. So this just means so much more to me. So my message here is like, Don't wait on the record label to cut you a check. Don't wait on somebody else. Like, build your own platform, do it yourself. Like, that's what's so important. You know, I'm so grateful that I learned how to do this. I'm so grateful for Russell Brunson for showing me how to do this, and for the whole ClickFunnels community. You know, I'm so grateful for my team because we did this together. There's just no possibility of accomplishing this on my own. This is something that we did as a team. It's the Legion Beats team. I'm just so grateful to be in the position I'm in, and I want to acknowledge everybody who's helped. I hope that it inspires you guys to go on your journey, and to build something like this is really cool. So thank you guys.